Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Managing customers, sales, and teamwork is very important for any growing business. But finding a CRM that is powerful but not too expensive is very hard. That's where OneHash CRM helps. It is an all-in-one tool for a business. It helps with customer work, sales, marketing, support, inventory, HR, and more. It's perfect for startup and small businesses. Now, start a free trial. Just sign up, then log in. After logging in, you will see a dashboard similar to this. Now follow my instruction. It is very easy step. Create an item, add a customer, make your first sale invoice, and that's it. Now let's explore their feature. First is accounting. You can set up tax, accounts, and view your cards account. Then buying. OneHash shows instruction for every step, so no need to get confused. Just go to the buying settings and you will see your purchase order and shortcuts. Then there are sellings. Again, just follow the instruction. In that, you will find customer quotes, sale order, and pricing info. Also, we have stock, assets, manufacturing, and quality. All features are in one place with shortcuts. Now the main part, the CRM section. There, the menu are shortcut, sales pipeline, master section, reports, campaign, and settings. If you want to edit your sales pipeline, click there. To add a lead, maybe a new possible customer, fill in the info and hit save. You can also view a dashboard. Let's say you want to go to customer. All you have to do is click add customer and fill in the info. Everything is very easy. You just select a section and OneHash will take you there. So OneHash CRM gives you all tools in one place, easy to use shortcuts, clear dashboard, and a simple layout. That's how you can use a OneHash CRM for your business. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.